Rae Chandran. I'm speaking to you from the Temple of Hathor in Tandera. I'm standing in front of the resurrection room. This room represents rebirth of a new part of you. What are the sounds for rebirth? Om Hatha. When you chant the word Om Hatha, it means I resurrect my chakras into a higher energy. As soon as you chant even one time Om Hatha, you will feel energy in your crown. So it means I resurrect all my chakras to its original intended purpose, that is, evolution of the soul through the physical matter. Om Hatha. The other sound you may want to use, Sanare. Sanare. It means I resurrect my soul evolutionary core within my pineal. Om Hatha and Sanare. The sound for resurrection. This is Rae Chandran, speaking from the Temple of Hathor in Tandera.